Mike, I think we need to talk about ego states and vaded/damaged invaded ego states.
Ooh.
And how this fits in with regression to cause, or how it fits in with other aspects of hypnosis too. And then we'll let you all get on with your day.
Well, I think it's important, Chris. Remember, when we regress someone to cause, we have to keep them associated in the event.
Right.
And one of the ways we can tell this is if they're feeling it in their body, which is the affect bridge, taking them back to it, or they have the symptom, which is something totally different. But let's say they feel it in their body. That keeps, according to Gordon Emerson, the vaded ego state invaded by fear, anger, sadness, trauma. It keeps it executive. You have to treat the part of the brain, the part of the mind that is the injured part. So you don't want them going back saying, yeah, I think I was, I can see myself in a car and,
go back to that first experience. What are you feeling right now?
Well, I felt that it was, no, you want them saying, I see that. You say, be there now. What do you see? What do you feel? Be there in that moment. When they are in the moment in regression, that is what enables them to discharge the negative emotion. But again, Chris, interestingly, with Tad James's timeline therapy, they're doing it all dissociated, which is freaking brilliant. This really says, guys, that there are lots of therapies that work. I can think as well, when I studied with Willem Lammers and he taught us EFT and TFT and topless acupressure technique, all these different things, he said, you want to treat the first time they felt the bad emotion, the worst time they felt it, the most recent, and the hypothetical next time. So that's the future pacing in this that Chris alluded to earlier. If someone says, okay, I think I feel good now, you got to test your work. And you say, so next time you're golfing and a snake slithers across the green in front of you, what will happen? And you're calibrating. You're looking at them to see if you see any artifacts from the bad state that you looked at before. And if they go, no, it's nothing. I wouldn't feel anything. It's not a poisonous snake. It's not going to hurt me. I just let him go. Your work is done. You must future pace. You must check your work.
That is a really good point. Check your work. Always be checking your work.